Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to refer somebody as well as how a new member can create their account. So firstly, if you're an existing member and you want to refer somebody, log into your IamLimitless.io back office, click on Profile. At top of the page you'll see Refer a Friend. Click on that and that will copy that referral URL. That is the URL you want to give to the new person who would like to register an account with Limitless and be able to get their Academy or Foundation packs. Now let's talk about what happens for the person who wants to register. You'll need to use what's called a Tronlink wallet. You can get a desktop Chrome extension version, or you can get an app on your phone called Tronlink Pro or the Token Pocket app. I'm on a desktop computer, so I'm going to get the Tronlink wallet. You go to tronlink.org and you can see here that it brings up the website where you can click on the Install Now. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, you then are going to create a new wallet. You're going to choose the Tron blockchain, and next you're going to give it a name. So give that wallet a name. It's more for your reference. I usually like to choose the wallet name as the same as the username I'm going to use for my Limitless back office account. It shows you the wallet address and you click on Create the Account to see the wallet, and you can see now it has the assets. Now you're going to pay for your Academy pack and Founders pack with USDT, and the gas fee will be TRX. Talk to the person who referred you to help you understand how to purchase USDT and TRX. If you're already familiar with cryptocurrency, you'll know that. If you're not, as I said, talk to the person who referred you. This wallet is the wallet that will actually connect to the smart contract on the blockchain for the Limitless project. It's your actually unique identifier in the system. It's very important that you save the backup phrase or the private keys to this wallet. The person who owns the private keys or the backup phrase is the one who's got access to your wallet. And once it's lost, you can't get it back. So you want to make sure that you protect that the same as you would protect the PIN number for your safe or the PIN number for your ATM bank account. Now it's very important that in your wallet you have the correct amount of USDT and sufficient TRX, which is the gas fee. No different to putting gasoline in your car to get it to go from point A to point B. In order to complete a transaction on the Tron blockchain, you need to have some TRX for the gas fee. I recommend having 200 TRX. Whatever you don't use for this first transaction, you will use in the future as you withdraw your rewards from the platform. In this example, I'm going to purchase the $100 Academy pack. So I've made sure I've got 100 USDT and the 200 TRX. Now, if you want an inexpensive way to make this purchase, you can rent the energy, in a sense, rent the gasoline rather than paying for it yourself. You'll see the More tab here. Click on More, and you'll see there's a Just Lend DAO energy rental. Now, on here, I'm going to rent 100,000 units of energy, and I'm going to rent that for 1 day. I need to connect my wallet to that website. I'm connecting my Tronlink wallet. I'm going to authorize that transaction by clicking on the Connect. And you'll see on the left here the energy rental fees. I'm now going to click on Rent Now to rent the energy. And again, I need to authorize that transaction. So I sign that transaction as if you were signing a contract. And if you wait, you'll see the 100,000 units of energy now showing here on the left. So now I'm using a lot less energy, a lot less cost to me to make this transaction. So I need to scroll down, and I'm going to select the $100 Academy pack that's highlighted, and I'm going to give myself a nickname, which is the username, the unique username for my account. So Limitless Life, and it says that's already taken. Limitless Life now, that one's not taken. I need to agree to the terms and conditions, and I click on the approve. Just double checking, I've got the USDT, I've got the TRX. You can see it's taken some TRX to do this rental contract of the energy, and now I click on approve. I now have to approve the first part of this process. So I sign the contract to approve, and it's going to create my personal account in the Limitless platform. Go back to purchases and wait for that to complete. And you can see here that it's processing in the background. It can take up to a minute or two to complete that process. Once that's processed, then the next step will be to allow the actual deduction of 100 USDT from your account. So when it's finished processing, there'll be a pop-up that will ask us to confirm the deduction of 100 USDT. You can see now it's completed that stage, so I'm going to click the contribute 100 USDT. Again, I need to approve the transaction. This is deducting 100 USDT from my Tronlink wallet. I sign that. Go back to my purchase, and now it's going to complete the deduction of the 100 USDT from my account. It's a two-step process to create a new account. It's now coming to the final part of that second part of the process, where it will complete the creation of the account and the deduction of the USDT from my wallet, and you'll see a success flash pop up on the right hand side. Now it says if I want to upgrade to the next level, it'll be 500 USDT. I can now go to my profile page, and I can see all the information relative to my account, the amount that I purchased, the different packs that are available, what levels of referral I'm qualified for, the various bonus pools, any rewards that I earn, I can claim those when they're available. So now we've completed the purchase, we're going to end the rental contract to get back the TRX. So we click on end, confirm. There'll be another pop-up. You click on sign to officially end the contract. And if you look here, you'll see the 100,000 will go. And now if I go back to my wallet, you will see in the TRX transactions, if I click on that, that it initially deducted 51.43 Tron. It's given me back 48. So it's used just over 3 Tron to complete the transaction. So that's showing you how to end the rental contract.